In this tutorial, we're going to create a special effect with text and embers. Embers falling down and text coming towards you, getting larger, just like you seen in the very beginning of this video. It gives a real cool looking effect. I'll put a link in the description box below the video where you can get a copy of the falling embers from. It's from Production Grade. So if you're interested, follow me. So drag your embers, your first track, and it's loopable, so just drag it out to the 30-second mark, or however long you want. Go under FX, select Vegas Chroma Key, go OK. Click on the color, select the eyedropper, and click on the green portion to make it go black. Let's insert our video track. Make sure this is on top. Insert text media. I'm going to call this Embers. I'm going to change the font to Impact. Let's change the color to, so grab the eyedropper and sample one of these embers. It's good. I'll go to Event, Pan and Crop. Set a keyframe, say around 15 seconds. Then we're going to zoom in, which makes embers larger. So when you play it back, looks something like this. You can use your imagination, try to experiment with different things. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.